Hello students, welcome to my channel. What is flux, slag? What are the difference between flux and slag? Then blister copper. What is flux? It's a chemical substance that forms an easily fusible slag with gangue. What is slag? Slag is the glassy-like byproduct left over after desired metal has been separated from raw ore. This is a simple equation to understand flux, slag, gangue. Flux react with gangue. What is gangue? Gangue is impurity present with ore. Flux react with gangue gives slag. Flux. Two types of fluxes are there. They are acidic as well as basic. Similarly, gangue also may be acidic or basic. If your ore contains acidic gangue means how to use basic flux. If the gangue present along with ore is basic in nature means you have to use acidic flux. We can see examples. Example 1. In the extraction of iron from hematite. Hematite ore contains silica as a acidic gangue. To remove this silica means silicon dioxide, I have to use limestone, calcium oxide. It's a basic flux. See the equation? Calcium oxide, solid, it's a basic flux. React with the silica solid, which is gangue, gives calcium silicate. It's a slag. This is unwanted material. This is a byproduct in the extraction of iron. Example number 2. In the extraction of copper from copper pyrite ore, ferrous oxide formed in the process is basic in nature. So, silica, an acidic flux has to be used to remove. See the example. Ferrous oxide solid, it is a gangue for the extraction of copper from copper pyrite. To remove this gangue, use silica solid, which is acidic flux, gives ferrous silicate. It's a slag. You see, this is the slag which is obtained from extraction of copper from copper pyrite. It is a glassy-like substance. What are the difference between flux and slag? Clearly present your answer with the table. Flux as well as slag. What is flux? A chemical substance that forms an easily fusible mass, slag, with gangue. What is slag? Slag is the glassy-like product. Slag is the glassy-like byproduct left over after desired metal has been separated from raw ore. Its flux may be acidic or basic. Slag is a neutral mass. Example for flux are calcium oxide, silicon dioxide, otherwise called silica, etc. Example for slag are ferrous silicate and calcium silicate. So I hope you understood what is flux, what is slag, what are the difference between flux and slag. Now we move to the next one. Blister copper. What is blister copper? When mate is fed into converting furnace or otherwise called Bessemer converter, then copper sulfide combines with the cuprous oxide, forms molten copper metal. This is molten copper. Molten copper, while solidify, expels sulfur dioxide. While becoming solid, the surface of the molten copper has a lot of blisters. This is known as blister copper. And what is blister copper? The metal copper is solidified and it has a blistered appearance due to the evolution of sulfur dioxide gas formed in this process. This copper is called blistered copper. You can see the pictures of both molten copper and blister copper. What is the difference? Only the difference is molten copper contains dissolved sulfur dioxide, whereas blister copper contains no sulfur dioxide because the while solidified expels sulfur dioxide. What is the equation we have to write as far as blister copper is concerned? This is cuprous oxide in the form of liquid, which is there in the Bessemer converter. Then cuprous sulfide. This is from mate, also present in Bessemer converter. Both reacts to give copper liquid plus sulfur dioxide gas. So the sulfur dioxide is dissolved in copper liquid. It is a molten copper. While balancing, here we have 2 oxygen, therefore make 2 in front of cuprous oxide. Therefore we have 4 copper plus 2 copper, 6 copper. The obtained mass is known as molten copper. While solidify, it expels sulfur dioxide gas, then forms blistered copper. This becomes blister copper after the expulsion of sulfur dioxide gas. I hope you understood very clearly about blister copper. What is the type of reaction takes place here? It's called a self-reduction process. The blister copper is about 98% pure. What are the impurities present in blister copper? It may contain lead, selenium, tellurium, gold and silver. In today's video, I explained what is flux, what is slag, difference between flux and slag, what is meant by blister copper, what is the equation involved, everything. I hope you understood everything very clearly. If you like this video, share, comment, like. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.